Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about Hexo. Hexo is having an earnings report coming out here very soon. It's tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. That is about 6:30 a.m. Edmonton time. So I gotta wake up super early in order to listen to that earnings report. But will I do that? I think I might. I'm thinking about it. I don't know if I will. But I did buy some call options on Hexo. I bought a dollar call option, out of the money call options, dollar. So if the stock skyrockets, I could make a pretty penny off of it because I bought this. These options expire on November 20th, 2020. And I think that if it pops, then great. If it doesn't, then I don't know, whatever. But there is one. I do have one big concern with Hexo. What is my one concern? My biggest concern with Hexo is the fact that it hasn't, for the past 6 months, it hasn't. Besides, let's see, hold on, June 9th. 2020, the stock popped. I think that was last earnings report. The stock popped all the way up to $1.19, and then ever since then it's been like sitting at 70 cents, between 70 to 80 cents for a long time. And the stock needs to do like this. There's a possibility that Hexo could do a reverse split if they can't get the stock out of the dollar range after the earnings report. So that's a warning for you guys that are buying Hexo before the earnings report. I'm buying call options because if they somehow manage to flip a small profit on earnings report, I think the stock will skyrocket. We'll see if they can or not, but from my research, my small little amount of research on Hexo, they have been laying off people, reducing their staff, reducing the GSNA, and on top of that, the market in Canada has been growing steadily, and if they can capture a decent amount of market share and show investors that they are growing and selling and making profit, I think the stock will explode to $1. At least $1, in my opinion. So we'll see what happens. I think that there is a possibility it could explode after the earnings report. That's why I bought some call options on it, just in case it actually happens. But we'll see though. We'll see. I mean, my options is pretty long out of the money. November 20th, 2020. That is literally 20 days after 20 days after 21 days after the stock earnings report. So I don't think I'm gonna lose any money. I mean, sure, the stock could tank back to 65 cents. I can also sell those call options. I'll just hold them and hope a miracle happens. But whatever. That's just, if I bought 100 contracts at $1. So, I mean, out of the money. So, if I lose $400, boo-hoo, I lost $400. I'm not going to cry about it. It's not, in options, you have to expect to lose sometime. You can't always win. But, that's my gamble. You guys can do what you want. None of this is financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. So yeah, but definitely I'm going to be waking up 6:30 in the morning to see what the earnings report is. I'm going to release this video before the market closes, probably around 1 o'clock, but we'll see. Twitter. So Twitter is very strong right now. It went up to $2.93, pulled back a little bit, and starting to rally again. I just feel like Twitter should be valued more, especially if Snapchat is valued at $60 billion, $62 billion. I feel like Twitter should be, closer to $60 billion. So that's like a 50% premium on $52. So that's like 75 bucks. I'm gambling on Twitter, so we'll see what happens. I mean, I only put in 600 bucks. So if I lose that money, I'm not going to cry about it. That's just, that's life. When you gamble, you could lose. Electromass Solo today up 49 cents, 50 cents today. Very good feeling because I'm a shareholder. But Solo is so volatile. There's a chance it can go back down to $2, and that would hurt so much if it did. But that is a possibility that it could happen. I made a video on that earlier. That'll be a weekend video. Pinterest. Pinterest pulled back, but it's starting to rally again. We are going to have some major earnings coming up here. Facebook is up 5%. Apple is up $4.75. They're having earnings after the bell. Google is having earnings here coming up after the bell. So we'll see what happens. There's probably other companies. Microsoft already had their earnings. What is Microsoft stock? I bet you Microsoft's up today. Yep, Microsoft's up today. $1.55 trillion. Neo is up today too. Wow, $31.27. Woo! Man, those Neo Bulls are making monies. The monies. That's crazy. Big Money just loves Neo. Just loves Neo. $38 billion market cap company. It's insane. Very good food company. Up 65 cents right now. 24.07%. Very happy with my very good butcher position. AMD. I think AMD should be higher, but that's just my opinion. Xilinx is up today, $3.83. Nvidia is up 3.56%. GameStop is being game-tarded. Just kidding. But, whatever. It's could be an opportunity right here or not. We'll see. Lordstown Motor. Lordstown is up 96 cents, 6.84%. Workhorse today is up 18 cents, 1.07%. Arcimoto is up 26 cents, 4.78%. Nano Dimension is down 11.5 cents. ACB is up 6.5 cents. Wynn Resort is up $3.70. Kron is up 1 cent. Hexo, I already talked about that. Hexo's having earnings. Kron is up 1.5 cents. High Tide is just being, volatile. Is Hexo again. Harv today had a nice day, up 12%. Planet 13 up 7 cents today. Kira is up 6.11%. It seems like the multi-state operators are doing really good right now. Workhorse up 7. I already talked about Workhorse. Last Mile Holdings. It's up a penny. So if you bought this thing at 2 cents, you would have 50% your money. It went all the way up down to 4 cents. Will it continue? Or will this thing stay at 3 cents? I have no idea. I sold out of my position. I don't have a position with Last Mile, but popping. Giga Meadows is 54 cents. Liberal Health Science is up a penny. Last mile again. High tide. Okay, well, anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.